Hi guys, this is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is a simple but delish stir fry of quinoa and kale. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! First, boil 1 cup of quinoa according to the package instruction. Slice 1 purple onion, this is medium, and 4 garlic. And then we're gonna remove the stem from this 1 bunch of kale. Now heat 2 tablespoons of peanut oil or sunflower oil. Sorry, today I'm using sunflower oil. 2 tablespoons, and then we're just gonna saute the onion and garlic until softened and fragrant. Now add in your shredded or sliced. I shred it with my hand, or like kind of pick it from the stems. This has been washed. Just add it and saute. So stir fry the kale until somewhat softened. I like it actually when it's bright green still. I like kale in everything, even in juice. It's a bit weird, I know. Now we're gonna add in our couscous. Season it with mushroom granules and veggie rice, which is like this, vegetable rice. Stir fry or stir until completely combined, and adjust the flavor to your liking. I like it with a little bit of black pepper, if not ground white pepper. And basically that is it. It's simple and it's yummy to eat as is, to eat with rice, or to eat with your lamb chop.